damage, let's talk a little bit about death. Because there are two different kinds of lawsuits that may be involved after an injured plaintiff's death that law students have a tendency to confuse. There was a time when a lawsuit was regarded as so personal an item of property that it died with the plaintiff. So if you negligently injured me and I died before I succeeded in getting a judgment against you, the case died with me. Nowadays, most jurisdictions recognize that a lawsuit is an item of property like any other item of property, so that when I die, my possessions, my car, my wristwatch, my goat, will all be inherited by whoever I leave my goods to in my will. If I don't have a will, the law of intestate distribution, which you'll study in another course, decides who gets my stuff after I'm dead. And in most states, my lawsuit against you for negligence is just another item of property that's inherited with the rest of my stuff.